Good morning, scholars. Happy Monday. Welcome to the vocabulary section of today's lesson. Let's go ahead and get started. So, we only have one word for today. That word is home front. Home front is the activities of people who stayed home and are not fighting in the war. The example I put is Jim. I wondered what the home front looks like while we're here at war. So to give you guys kind of a better understanding of what this looks like, to the right of the screen, you should see like a white bar. I'm just going to do a quick drawing there to kind of give you guys an idea of how the word is used and in what context it's used in. So in my example, I had Jim, who was wondering what the home front looks like. Let's have our soldier Jim. Give him a helmet, some eyes. All right, so here's Jim. Now, Jim is saying, I wonder what the home front looks like. So that means Jim is not home, but rather he's where? Probably at war. So, here's Jim. Let's give him like a little rifle. Yep. There. Cool. So that means this is Jim. He's at war. And he's wondering what the home front looks like. So if Jim's at war, who's at home? Maybe his wife, Sally. Maybe he's got a few babies. Not the prettiest babies, but that's okay. They're Jim's babies. So it's the activities of the people who stayed at home and are not fighting of the war. So the home front are what these people are doing while Jim is at war. So if Jim is asking, I wonder what the home front looks like, someone at the home front might say, oh, here on the home front, things are pretty bad. All the men have gone to war, so now the women are working, maybe as a nurse. This is my really bad drawing of someone as a nurse, but you get the idea. So, once again, home front, the activities of people who stayed at home and are not fighting in the war. For the example, Jim, this guy here, wondering what the home front looks like. His family who's at home is describing to him what home looks like. They, the family, are in the home front.